नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बिटियाओ। आई JVN डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्यतंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, क्लिनिकल कंसल्टेंट इन सूर्यांश आरोग्यशाला, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's class, we will discuss about the introductory part of surgical instruments. So student, you can see in this tray surgical instruments. All types of surgical, some types of surgical instruments are here. Like this one is bone cutter. Okay, students. This one is suture removing scissor. This one is Ali's tissue holding forceps. They both are tissue holding forceps, tooth forceps or without tooth forceps. This one is scissor. This one is needle holder. This is called BP handle, means Brad Barker handle. Different types. So student, you can see the different types of surgical instruments. Let's read about surgical instrument. A surgical instrument is a tool or device for performing specific action or carrying out desired specific during a surgery or operation, such as modifying biological tissue or to provide access for viewing it. Over time, many different kinds of surgical instruments and tools have been invented. Some surgical instruments are designed for general use in surgery, while others are designed for a specific procedure. Accordingly, the nomenclature of surgical instrument follow certain patterns, such as a description of the action it performs. For example, scalpel, hemostat, the name of the inventor. For example, the Kocher forceps, or a compound specific name related to the kind of surgery. For example, a tracheotomy is a good use to perform a tracheotomy. The expression surgical instrumentation is somewhat interchangeably used with surgical instruments, but its meaning in medical jargon is the activity of providing assistance to a surgeon with the proper handling of surgical instruments during an operation by a specialized professional, usually a surgical technologist or sometimes a nurse or radiographer. Now we will discuss about the classification of surgical instruments. This is the general classification of surgical instruments. There are several classes of surgical instruments, like graspers as a forceps, clamps or oppulsers for blood vessels or organs, needle drivers, also known as needle holder. This one is needle holder. Okay, friends. This one is called needle holder. Used to hold needle while it is passed through tissue and to grasp suture while instrument not tying. Retractors used to spread open skin, ribs, and other tissue. Retractors. Retractors used to spread open tissue, ribs, and other tissue. Distractors. Positioners or stereotactic devices. Mechanical cutters like scalpel. This one is called scalpel. Lancet. This is called lancet. Drill bits, rasps, trocars, ligazers, harmonic scalpel, surgical scissors. This one is surgical scissor. Students, this one is surgical scissor. Rongers, etc. Then dilators and spacula. For SS to narrow passages or incisions. Suction tips or tubes for removal of bodily fluids. Sealing devices such as surgical staplers. Irrigation and injection needles. These are the injection and irrigation needles, as you can see. Tips and tubes for introducing fluids. Powered devices such as drills, cranial drills, and dermatomes. Then scopes and probes, including fiber optic, endoscopes, and tactile probes. Carrier and appliers for optical, electronics, and mechanical devices. Ultrasound tissue disruptors. Cryotomes and cutting laser guides. Measurement devices such as rulers, calipers, also called surgical instruments. An important relative distinction regarding surgical instruments in the amount of bodily disruption of tissue trauma that their use might cause the patient. Terms relating to this tissue are atraumatic and minimally invasive. Okay, student, as you can see, these are the different types of scalpels, various scalpels in this picture, different numbers and different types of scalpels, modern scalpels. These are the old ancient instruments which describes in old manuscripts. So student, as you can see, all the surgical instrument in this picture, and as you can see different types of surgical instruments which are used in surgery while operating on surgical field or in OTs, operation theaters. So students, this is all about the surgical instruments introductory part. On another session we will discuss particular some surgical instruments. So students, I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have doubts and queries, please mention in comments box. I will resolve it soon. Okay students, thank you. खुश रहो बेटे।